Well, in Colorado has what's called an express consent law, which means that the mere act of driving, you expressly consent to take a breath test or a blood test. Now, with alcohol cases, generally the driver has the choice of a breath test or a blood test. With a blood test, usually that's a better choice because it can be independently tested. However, with a drug case, the officer gets to decide whether or not you take a blood test or a breath test. They choose. If you refuse to submit to a test, the officer generally will take your driver's license away and give you a 7-day permit to ask for a hearing with the Department of Motor Vehicles. At that hearing, if requested, the sole issue is, did you refuse to submit to a test under the express consent law? If you refuse to take, complete, or cooperate in taking a test, it will be deemed a refusal and you could lose your driving privilege for a significant period of time. If you're under 21, you may not be able to get reinstated. You may have to go a full year or 2 years without driving. If you're over 21, you may have the possibility of getting reinstated early, but the Department of Motor Vehicles will be taking your driving privilege just for the refusal. And the refusal, while it makes it a better case to defend because they don't have a test, it still can be used against you in court as perhaps evidence of guilt, knowing that you would have failed, and that's why you refused.